How to fix low speaker sound on iPhone. If your iPhone speaker sound is too low, follow these steps. 1. Turn off hearing aid compatibility. Open settings. Scroll down and tap accessibility. Tap hearing devices and turn off hearing aid compatibility. 2. Set call audio. Routing to automatic. Go to settings and select accessibility. Tap touch and scroll down to call audio routing. Select automatic. 3. Reset all settings, open settings, and tap general. Scroll down and select transfer or reset iPhone, then tap reset. Choose reset all settings and enter your passcode. Confirm to reset. This won't delete your data. 4. Clean your speakers. Use a soft, dry brush to clean the bottom and top speakers carefully. Hopefully, these steps solve your issue. Thanks for watching.